Hey, good morning, folks. YouTubers, girls and boys of all ages. My ass, what I got going on here is really I was cleaning up around my property, and I noticed I had a whole bunch of junk, mainly metal. I've never done this before, so I loaded up my trailer. As you can tell, I've got everything. I got an AC unit. There's a boiler, baskets, old chairs, some old spare tires, a wheelbarrow, and a whole bunch of other crap. So anyways, I'm gonna make this. It's gonna be a short, sweet video. We're gonna find out how much I can make off of this. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, so my local scrapyard, as you can tell, I've already unloaded everything. My trailer. Where everything is. Let's see how much we can get. See, so what they have you do is you come up on that scale where that white truck is coming out, and then weigh you, see how much you got starting off. Once you unload everything, you go back in just like that black truck right there. So let's see. All right, back again. So this is my ticket. I'm at late June scrap metal. I'm not sure what all that means. I guess it's my license plate and my make and model for my vehicle. That's what it is. So I guess they put me in as 10. I'm guessing it's 900 pounds. That's my guess. And I'm guessing they're paying it at 45 cents or 4 cents. I'm not sure. So let me see if I can turn this into cash real quick. I'll be right back. All right, folks, I'm back. I'm quite surprised, actually. That's not bad of a turnout. I mean, it was probably about an hour's worth of work, not even. And I did take my time. So I'm going to go ahead and present you guys the receipt. So here is 900 pounds, just like I thought, at 4 cents a pound. So I got $40.50. Not bad, I think, for, you know, I got to clean up my property. And on top of that, it didn't take me long. It's not like I got really tired, or if it was, you know, weather right now is pretty gloomy, cold. It's not hot at all. It's perfect for this type of work, I guess, if you want to do this. I know that there's people that actually drive around and pick up scrap metal. So, you know, I had about half a load. I didn't really fix it in my trailer. I just kind of threw stuff in there. But I mean, if I would have had a full load, that's $100. $100 a day. That's not bad, but I'm pretty sure it takes longer to actually be driving out there and looking for this stuff. But you know, it's not really hard work. It just takes a little bit of your time. So all right, folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you out. You know, if you got a whole bunch of junk in your property and it's mainly metal, hey, visit your local scrapyard. All right, folks, y'all have a good night, good day.